numbers. So today we'll discuss operations on rational numbers. So next topic is operations on rational numbers. Now, as we know that four kind of algebraic operations are there: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So when you add two rational numbers, if you performing addition of two or more than two rational numbers, the resultant number is always a rational number. Okay? For example, this is suppose two number है 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Now if you want to add these two rational numbers, अब इन दोनों rational numbers के denominators same नहीं है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? We are taking a LCM of 5 and 4, that is 20. ठीक है? तो now 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4, we are taking a LCM 20 of 5 and 4. Now this 20 is divided by 5. The quotient term is 4. This 4 is multiplied by 2. So it will be 4 into 2. Plus, now this 20 is divided by the denominator of this rational number, that is 4. So 20 divided by 4. The quotient term is 5. This 5 is multiplied by the numerator of rational number, that is 5 into 3. So now the numerator becomes 8 plus 15 divided by 20. So it will be now 23 divided by 20. So that is the addition of these two numbers. Now this number is also a rational number. So whenever you performing the addition of two rational numbers, we'll get a rational number. Similarly, if you are performing the subtraction of two rational numbers, again you will get a rational number. Okay? So next operation, suppose if I am performing the difference or subtraction of two numbers, like 8 by 3 minus 7 by 6. Suppose these two rational numbers we are here to subtract. Okay? So now the LCM of 3 and 6, क्योंकि दोनों rational numbers के denominator different है, तो LCM of these 3 and 6 is 6. Now we are again taking LCM 6. Now the denominator of this rational number, which is a 3, divided by 6. So 6 divided by 3, that is quotient comes 2. This quotient is multiplied by 8. 8 into 2, that is 16. Now minus, after that this 6 is divided by the denominator of this number, that is 6 divided by 6. The quotient comes 1. This 1 is multiplied by 7. So the number becomes 7. So now it is 16 minus 7 divided by 6. So that number is 9 by 6. Now we can also convert this rational number also in the lowest form, because both 9 and 6 are divisible by a number 3. So now it is 3 by 2. So the difference of these two rational numbers is also a rational number. ठीक है? Let's suppose कि हम addition subtraction combine नहीं करना चाहें. For example, जैसे 8 by 3 plus 11 by 9 minus 6 by 7. Now operation is like that. तो आप किस तरीके से कर सकते हैं? या तो first you add these two rational number, the resultant is subtract from 6 by 7. तो first हम इन दोनों rational numbers का addition करेंगे. So addition किस तरीके से करेंगे? 3 और 9 का LCM क्या आया? That is 9. ठीक है? minus 6 by 7 as it is हमने रख दिया. Now 3 और 9 का LCM क्या आया? 9. Now 9 is divided by 3. The quotient comes 3. Now 3 is multiplied by 8. So 8 into 3, that is 24. Plus 9 is divided by 9. The quotient comes is 1. 1 is multiplied by 11. So the number comes is 11. So now 24 plus 11 by 9 minus 6 by 7. Now that is 35 by 9 minus 6 by 7. Now we are subtracting these two rational number. ठीक है. Now again taking a LCM of 9 and 7, that is 63. ठीक है, तो 63 हमने ले लिया. Now 63 is divided by 9. The quotient comes 7. Now 35 is multiplied by 7 minus. Now 63 is divided by 7. The quotient comes as 9. 9 is multiplied by 6. So 9 into 6. So ठीक है. Now 35 is multiplied by 7. 245. Confirm? I think नहीं. 35 into 7. Okay, 245 minus 54. हाँ, क्या आएगा डिफरेंस? 391. ऐड नहीं करना है. That is 191 by 63. So that is a resultant rational number. हाँ, क्या हुआ? What happened? Okay, no issue. So when you performing the addition of two rational numbers or more than two rational numbers, or subtraction of two or more than two rational numbers, you will get a resultant rational number. Is that clear? ठीक है. Now next algebraic operation is a multiplication of rational number. So when you multiply two rational numbers, again you will get a rational number. ठीक है. दो rational numbers का multiplication होगा, then you always get a rational number. ठीक है. Now suppose if I am taking two rational number like 14 by 16 into 4 by 7. When we multiply these two numbers, now this 7 is divided by 14 2, 4 is divided by 16 4, so it will be 2 by 4. Now this 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. So this is a multiplication as well as division भी हो गया एक तरीके से. So that is 2 by 4 or equals to 1 by. ठीक है. Let's suppose एक और हम example लें, that 3 by 7 into 8 by 5. Now numerator multiply हो जाएगा, denominator से multiply हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So 8 into 3 divided by 7 into 5, so it comes 24 by 35. If this rational number is convert into the lowest form, then you can easily convert. यदि नहीं हो रहा है तो you can just write it as usual. ठीक है. So that is your rational number 24 by 35. So when you multiply two or more than two rational number, again you will get a rational number. Is that clear? Now division of rational number. Next algebraic operation is
division of rational number. Suppose one rational number is 1 by 2, second is 4 by 5. ठीक है. So when we perform the division of rational number, a divided by b, that is 1 by 2 divided by 4 by 5, दैट इज़ 1/2 इंटू 5/4, यानी ये जो सेकेंड नंबर है उसको रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे, सो दैट इज़ 5/8. सो यू विल गेट अ रैशनल नंबर. बट दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर each and every case. Suppose if you are taking A is 1/2 and B is taken as a 0, and now you are performing A by B, that is 1/2 divided by 0/1, so that is 1/2 into 1/0, that is 1/0. That is not defined. So when you perform the division of rational numbers, you never get always a rational number. So it does not follow the closure property. Closure property means what? Addition, subtraction and multiplication follow the closure property, but division never follow the closure property. Means whenever you are performing the addition, subtraction or multiplication of two rational number, you always get a rational number. But when we perform division of rational numbers, we never get always a rational number. So that is a closure property. तो दो रैशनल नंबर्स का डिवीज़न करने पर हो सकता है कि आपको रैशनल नंबर मिले, हो सकता है कि आपको रैशनल नंबर ना मिले. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द ऑपरेशंस ऑफ रैशनल नंबर. नाउ वी डिस्कस द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रैशनल नंबर. So first property is closure property. So what is closure property? That addition, subtraction and multiplication, are closed for a rational number. But division is not closed for rational number. डिवीजन जो है वो क्लोज नहीं है रैशनल नंबर के लिए. ठीक है. मीन्स वेन एवर यू आर परफॉर्मिंग द एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन of rational numbers, you always get a rational number. But when we perform a division of rational number, you never get a rational number. So that is called closure property. ठीक है. Means addition, subtraction and multiplication are closed, but division is not closed. ठीक है. Next property about the rational number is commutative. Now what is commutative property? Means addition and multiplication are commutative for rational number, but subtraction and division are not commutative for rational number. Now what is commutative property? Means addition and subtraction are commutative. Means if I taking two rational number, for two rational number A and B, commutative means A plus B is equals to B plus A, or A into B is equals to B into A. तो एडिशन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो है वो कम्यूटेटिव है, लेकिन सब्ट्रैक्शन डिवीजन आर नॉट कम्यूटेटिव. मीन्स A माइनस B इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू B माइनस A, और A डिवाइड बाय B इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू B डिवाइड बाय. दैट इज कॉल्ड कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. सो नाउ वी आर verify this property by taking two suitable rational numbers. ठीक है. जैसे A ले लिया आपने 1/2, B ले लिया 4/5. तो A प्लस B क्या हुआ? 1/2 प्लस 4/5, LCM आया 10. ठीक है. 10 डिवाइड बाई 2, the quotient comes 5. 5 is multiplied by 1, 5 plus 8, so that is 13 by 10. Similarly, b plus a क्या होगा, 4 by 5 plus 1 by 2, again it comes 13 by 10. So a plus b is equals to b plus a. ठीक है. Next we are performing the subtraction a minus b. 1 by 2 minus 4 by 5, again LCM 10, that is 5 minus 8, so that is minus 3 by 10. Now if I am performing b minus a, any 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2, LCM 10, 8 minus 5, that is 3 by 10. So here a minus b is not equals to b minus a. Means additions are commutative for the rational number, but subtraction is not commutative for rational number. Now multiplication करें, multiplication and division, a into b, that is 1 by 2 into 4 by 5, that is 4 by 10, or b into a, that is 4 by 5 into 1 by 10, 1 by 2, that is 4 by 10. So a into b is equals to b into a. Similarly, a divided by b and b divided by a. So a divided by b is 1 by 2 divided by 4 by 5, that is 1 by 2 into 5 by 4, that comes 5 by 8. ठीक है. अब b by a करेंगे, that is 4 by 5 divided by 1 by 2, that is 4 by 5 into 2 by 1, that is 8 by 5. So 5 by 8 is not equals to 8 by 5. So which proves that a by b is not equals to b by a. So here we proves that addition and multiplication are commutative for the rational number, but subtraction and division are not commutative for rational number.
ठीक है. Now we are discussing now third property of the rational number, that is associative. Now associative is what? Again same, addition and multiplication are associative for rational number, but subtraction and division are not associated for rational number. Addition and multiplication are associative, but subtraction and division are not associative for rational number. Now what is associative property? Now suppose if I am taking three rational number a, b and c. So associativity is what? Addition. If I am performing a plus b, first I am performing the addition of a and b and its resultant is added with c. So a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. Means first we added b plus c and its result will be added with a. So that is addition. For multiplication क्या होगा? First you performing the product of AB and its resultant is added with the C. Now it is equals to, first you performing the multiplication of B and C and its result will be added with A. So addition and multiplication are associative, but subtraction and multiplication are, subtraction and division are not associated. ठीक है. जैसे हम सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए लिखना चाहें तो सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए क्या होगा? a minus b minus c is not equals to, first you have to subtract the b minus c and its result is subtract with a. That is not equal. So that is a subtraction. Division के लिए क्या होगा? a, first you are performing the difference division of a by B, and that result is divided by C is not equals to, first you performing the division of B and C, and its result will be divided with A. So addition and multiplication are associative, but subtraction and division are not associative. And now to explain these property, we are taking a numerical value of ABC. हम क्या लेते हैं, ABC की numerical value ले लेते हैं, ठीक है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल A हमने लिया 1/2, B लिया 3/4 और C लिया हमने 1/5. Now first we performing the associativity for addition, ठीक है. So addition के लिए associativity क्या है, A plus B plus C and then B plus C, first performing B plus C and then added with A. तो देखिए पहले हमने क्या किया, 1/2 plus 3/4 and its result will be added with the 1/5. तो 1/2 plus 3/4 इसका LCM आया 4. So 4 is divided by 2. 2 plus 2 is multiplied by 1. ये हो गया 2 plus 3 plus 1/5. ये हो गया 5/4 plus 1/5. Now LCM come 20. 5/4 और 1/5 का LCM कितना आया, 20 आया, ठीक है. So now 20 is divided by 4. 20 is divided by 4. 5 is multiplied by 5. 25 plus 20 is divided by 5. 20 is divided by 5. 4 is multiplied by 1. That is 29/20. ठीक है. अब यही सेम हम दूसरी साइड में अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट एडेड 3/4 एंड 1/5. तो 3/4 and 1/5 का LCM 20. Now 20 is divided by 4. 5 into 3 15 plus 5 is multiplied by 20. 5 is divided by 24. 4 is multiplied by 1. 4. 1/2 plus 19/20. Now 1/2 and 19/20 is added. LCM come 20. So that is 10 plus 19. That is 29/20. So this LHS is equals to RHS. ये LHS था, ये RHS था. So LHS equals to RHS. So that is associativity for addition. Now we are discussing the associativity for multiplication. तो यहाँ प्लस की जगह हम क्या लग लें, प्रोडक्ट कर लें. A into B, then multiply with the C. First you performing the multiplication B into C and its result with added with multiply with C. So 1/2 into 3/4 into 1/5. तो क्या हो जाएगा, देखिए this is 3/8 into 1/5. तो ये हो गया 3/40. अब यहाँ मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम करें 1/2 first multiply 3/4 into 1/5. So that is 3/20. Now this 3/20 is multiplied by 1/2. That is 3/40. So what comes? This LHS is equals to RHS. So multiplication and addition are associative. ठीक है. अब यही सेम चीज हम सब्ट्रैक्शन और डिवीजन में करेंगे तो ये चीज फॉलो नहीं होगी. सब्ट्रैक्शन और डिवीजन के लिए क्या आएगा कि a minus b minus c is not equals to a minus b minus c. ठीक है. तो ये आप यही सेम ऑपरेशन सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑपरेशन सेम नंबर्स पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. जैसे सपोज इफ आई एम टेकिंग a minus b 1/2 minus 3/4 and that result will be subtracted with the 1/5. तो देखिए 1/2 minus 3/4 minus 1/5. तो यहाँ LCM आया 4. That is 2 minus 3. So that is minus 1/4 minus 1/5. Now LCM comes 20. ठीक है. ये -4 -4 5 that is -9/20. LHS साइड क्या आया -9/10. ठीक है. Now we are performing the RHS, so that is A minus B minus. तो A है 1/2 minus 3/4 minus 1/5. So LCM of 3/4 and 1/5, 5 and 4 का LCM 20. ये हो गया 15 minus 4. Now 1/2 minus 11/20. LCM आ गया यहाँ 20. That is 10 minus 11. That is minus 1/20. So this 9/20 is not equals to minus 1/20. So which proves that subtraction is not associative. ठीक है. Is that clear? अब डिवीजन के लिए अप्लाई करें. As we apply for the division, what will happen? 1/2 is multiplied by 4/3 divided by 1/5, so it will be 4/8. Sorry, ये 2 and 2 cancel. That is 2/3 divided by 1/5. Now 2/3 is multiplied by 5/1, ये रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, so it will be 10/3. तो आपका LHS क्या आया 10/3. Now we are performing RHS साइड परफॉर्म करें तो 1/2 डिवाइड बाय 3/4 बाय 1/5. तो पहले ये परफॉर्म करें 3/4 इंटू 5/1. ये जो पीछे वाला नंबर है उसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. सो 1/2 डिवाइड बाय 15/4. नाउ 1/2 इज मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4/15. तो ये हो गया 2 से 4 कैंसिल हो गया. इट कम्स 2/15. तो LHS 10/3 इज नॉट इक्वल टू 2/15. सो आपकी ये एसोसिएटिविटी जो है वो फुलफिल नहीं हो रही है. इज इट क्लियर? आया समझ में? इज इट क्लियर? सो दैट इज थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी of the rational number, associativity. So that is all about the today's lecture. ठीक है. आज हमने कौन कौन सी प्रॉपर्टीज डिस्कस करी? क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, क्लोजर, कम्यूटेटिव एंड एसोसिएटिव. ठीक है. रिमेनिंग 3 प्रॉपर्टीज और हैं, वो हम लेटर ऑन नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम क्या करेंगे, डिस्कस करेंगे. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द टुडेज लेक्चर. ठीक है. इज दैट क्लियर? समझ में आया? ओके, चलो बाय बेटा. हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून बेटा। एक सेकंड, कॉल आ रहा है, एक सेकंड चालू। हेलो, हाँ हाँ, आप बेटा अब आओ। एक्चुअली मेरा क्लास रनिंग था, एक क्लास था ना, वो चल रहा था। अभी आ जाओ, ठीक है? ठीक है, आ जाओ। 40 मिनट होगा ना? हाँ हाँ, हाँ जी मैम। हेलो, हेलो, हेलो। हाँ जी, हाँ सेम आईडी। मम्मा क्या कह रहे थे वो बोलो। 11th का अभी सेशन शुरू करेंगे अभी मैम, नेक्स्ट वीक से। हाँ, मतलब सब्जेक्ट 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 क्या ले रहे हैं प्रज्ञा के लिए? हाँ जी है। हाँ, ओके ओके। हाँ जी 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 जी। ठीक है मैम, काटापिटी होती ही नहीं आजकल, बंद हो गई। हाँ, आगे होगी, आगे होगी, आगे जब बच्ची एमबीबीएस के लिए जाए या फार्मास्यूटिकल्स के लिए जाए तब होगी। नहीं नहीं नहीं। जी 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 जी। ठीक, ठीक है मैम। मैं मेनली फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स तीनों ही देखता हूँ, तो आप देख लीजिएगा। ठीक, ठीक ठीक है मैम, ठीक है। हाँ, अभी आप भी राजस्थान चले गए हैं क्या? हाँ हाँ, आना। हाँ वो है एक्चुअली, बस मेरे भी, हमारा भी ये इशू है। मेरे सारे रिलेटिव्स जो हैं जो लास्ट 5-7 ईयर से यहाँ रह रहे हैं वो सारे लोग राजस्थान चले गए मेरे अलावा। हाँ हाँ 3 पॉजिटिव मिले हैं, हाँ मिले हैं आनंद व्यू में। डेफिनेटली मैम। अभी कोई भी मैं भी चाहूंगा कि बच्चे आए तो मैं भी नहीं जाना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि मुझे सब सैनिटाइज करना, वो सारे अरेंजमेंट करना वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है।